I see. You're jealous. You're jealous of humans, aren't you? We humans, according to you, we're supposed to be nothing when compared to homunculi. And yet, when we're beaten down, when we stray and fall, we face the challenge again and again. Our loved ones are always there to pick us back up. And you're jealous. You envy us because of that.
Fool, you just have to forsake one little village to save an entire country. Too bad you don't have the stomach to do the logical thing. Can you really shoot such a sad face? Can you, boy? I shouldn't be surprised. That's just how all you humans are. This time around I'll go with a younger, cuter model. What do you say? You humans don't make any sense to me. You throw away your lives for nothing. Another foolish human. Humans? Humans?